is just so adorable. Like, ColourPop could never. Hello everyone, my name is Sandra and thank you so much for tuning in. All right, y'all, I am super freaking geeked because my first Louise box finally came in the mail and I am super freaking excited. Y'all have no idea. When I heard about Louise, I went on their website, all their boxes were sold. They had no option for a subscription. They had no option for one-time purchase, no options at all. I kept checking back over and over and over again. And right at the beginning of January, I was able to snag a spot on their subscription list. I was excited. I was like, ooh, I'm gonna get a box in January. Girl, no. I'm just now getting my January box because they are shipping from the UK. This is not a February box. This is a January box. The February box will be here in March and so on and so forth. Louise stuff is just so cute and dainty. Like when they get the assignment for packaging, they do their thing. A+ honors AP course in packaging. They got that. I mean, just look at the mailer. This is such an adorable mailer. ColourPop could never. This is so cute. It says, "Bad bee, why chase when I'm the catch?" This is so girly and cute. I am just absolutely in love with this. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. It's got the little rip thing. We gotta like, whew. That took a little bit more elbow grease than I was expecting. When you open her up, this is what she looks like. I might just keep these boxes. Ew, mine came a little disheveled. This first thing, I don't know what this is. What is this? Ready, set, glow. Stay shining wherever you go. This is what I mean about packaging. Isn't that gorgeous? And it's thoughtful. You could see a lot of thought goes into their packaging. It makes me feel like I will be a villain if I threw the box away. Stuff like this is why I'm a hoarder. Okay, when things are this beautiful, you become a hoarder. How could you not? This is a lip oil and you get 3. And you know your girl loves a good lip oil. All fired up, Gleam team, flashy lifestyle. Ready, set, glow. Bruh, tell me that this is not the most adorable thing you've ever seen. This is beautiful. Look at the little crown, and then it's got like this really nice matte material, and it's got a little heart at the top. Oh, isn't that cute? And this is in Gleam team. Ooh, this one has like kind of a purplish look to it. You can tell a little bit of the color by the bottom of it. This one is flashy lifestyle. And the next one, ooh, it's like a pinky kind of color. And this is all fired up. There's 3 of them in here. I could keep all 3 and be stingy and greedy, but what I'm actually going to do, I'm gonna keep 2 and then put one of these in a future giveaway. I'm thinking, just to be on the safe side, I'm gonna put this clear one in the giveaway. Anyone can use it. It's inclusive if I put a clear lip oil into the giveaway. So I'm not going to swatch this one because that'd be gross, right? That'd be disgusting. Let's go ahead and see how these are. Let's swatch them. Ooh, juicy. Look at that doe foot. It's nice and big for us, thick lip chicks. Let me just kind of put a little bit right here. I mean, it doesn't really give you much color. Maybe it didn't matter which one I put in the giveaway or not. Y'all, bruh, it smells delicious. It smells like watermelon Jolly Rancher. This is money well spent because not only is it gonna be really good on the lips, it smells good too. Oh my God. This is the next one, flashy lifestyle, juicy. And what you smell like? Again, I mean, it has no colors to it. I mean, it's cute in the container, but it's just gonna come out sheer. Oh, it has like a little bit of gold colorful flecks in there. Now, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that has like little shimmers. That is beautiful. And it just smells like an green apple Jolly Rancher. These are amazing. We starting off strong. This is a really good way to start it off. Honestly, I'm gonna keep these little boxes because they're cute. I'm gonna have to apologize to Justin when I have just a room full of really cute boxes because this is just so adorable. ColourPop could never. Moving on. The next item in here has some weight to it. This says, focus on yourself, babe. Direct your attention to your own journey. And that's exactly what I've been doing this year. All over body glow. I don't know what an all over body glow is. Oh, to show you the packaging. Very cute, very Louise. Just beautiful from all angles. Does this cap not go on all the way? Mine looks a little like broken. You see what I mean? Like that's a little broken, and for some reason the cap doesn't, like, is it not supposed to click, or, oh, is it supposed to be like that? Let's see if it still works. That is pretty though. Try to pour a little bit on my arm and see. Ooh, that squirted out like really fast. That looks like a shimmery unicorn purple. Oh my God. Am I gonna be a unicorn this summer? That feels really good, actually. It just adds like little sparkles. You can barely see them. I think the camera doesn't really pick up the little purplish sparkles that are in that, but it definitely left my skin feeling very, not moisturized, but kind of slick, not sticky, but it feels like there's something on my skin, but it's not terrible, right? I'm guessing that that is gonna look gorgeous in the sunlight. Very excited to try that out. Just a little bit concerned that the packaging was a bit damaged. Now, I will say my only critique so far is that I wish these things were bubble wrapped. This could have had a little bit more bubble wrapped, like each item could have been individually bubble wrapped just to make it a little bit more secure. The next item in here is glossy and glazed. I think I might be the one. Ooh. And it is the all over body glow. So we got two different body glows. This is what this one looks like. Very cute. Like, even if this was an empty, I would keep it just because it's so pretty. Bruv. Nice and safety seal. Okay, we like a safety seal. That way I know nobody's been in my stuff. And just kind of rub this in. This is a lot thicker. Whereas the other one came out more of like a serum. This one is thick. Thick. Let's see what this looks like when you rub her in. Ooh, that is very thick. Like a lip gloss thick, but it definitely has a more prominent shine shimmer to it. It's a little sticky, not much more stickier than like your SPF. You know how SPF is a little bit sticky as well? This gives that same kind of stick feel, but when you like rub your hands against your skin, it doesn't feel weird. It's definitely shining bright. This one has little flexes in it too. Can you see? I think this is gonna look really beautiful in the sunlight. Like as soon as I step outside my house, I'm gonna be glistening from top to bottom. This is gonna be perfect for summertime. Both of them. I mean, just depending on what outfit I'm wearing, I got two options. I've never worn like a body glitter before, so this will be something new for your girl. And y'all, the last thing is massive.
Bruh.
That is so freaking cute. Just keep on facing forward. Ooh. Stop looking back, babe. You're not going that way. That's deep. I love that. I love these little sayings that are on this packaging. And this is a powder bronzer palette. Ooh. And the mirror is mirroring. You get like a mirror on the outside, but then you also have a mirror on the inside. Look at how beautiful that is. That is stunning. It's pretty inclusive. This deeper shade, I mean, you could go even deeper than that, but it's still pretty inclusive. I don't own anything like this. It has the beautiful like embossment. I think that's the right term. These are very, very beautiful. I will definitely be giving some of these a shot and seeing which one works for me. P. Louise budget box is for makeup artists. So this is technically for a makeup artist that's going to be doing a lot of different skin tones, a lot of different faces, so that you have things to kind of go into. As someone who is not a makeup artist and only one, maybe two of these will really go for your girl, I'm gonna have to find another use for these pans. I mean, they could be used as eyeshadow as well. I could even probably use one of these as like a powder for the rest of my face. I might be able to use this one as like a powder for the rest of my face. But we're gonna get some use out of this. This is so fun and exciting. Just cool. It's just cool to have. Get into it. I say get into it a lot, but really get into this. This is nice. But y'all, that is everything in my P. Louise box. This is the cutest subscription I have. Is it the most functional? Not quite yet, because this massive bronzer palette, like I'm not gonna be able to use all of those shades. It will be something very cute to have in my collection, something that I can kind of adorn my wall with. Eventually, I do want to get a nice studio. And even if I'm not gonna use that palette, I will definitely use it in my studio as like background effects, just something for the vibe, something to kind of show off different types of makeup that I own. If you like this content, you already know what to do. Like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe so that you can become a Faye Bae. And I will see y'all with the next one. Deuces.